Hello, my name is Stacy Park, and I'm a research fellow for the Digital Humanities at the Claremont Colleges. This third two-part tutorial video on Scalar will teach you about embedding media in pages. The second video is going to show you how to upload and import media, photos and videos that you want to use in your Scalar book. So before you actually start creating your pages, you want to have a good idea of all of the photos and all of the videos that you want to reference in each of your pages. So you're going to go to your book, and then you're going to go up here to this import button in your navigation bar. And for photos, you're going to go ahead and go to Files and URLs and go to Upload Media Files. And you're going to title it whatever is appropriate. So I'm just going to title it, Photo 1, and then go to my pictures. I've already made a folder for all the Scalar photos that I want to include. I'm going to click that, upload, and then my first photo is now uploaded to my Scalar book, and I'll be able to use it however I'd like throughout my book. And I'm going to repeat those steps for all of the other photos that I want to upload. So on and so forth, for as many of the photos as you'd like to upload. For videos, Scalar encourages people to make sure that you upload videos to video hosting websites like Vimeo or YouTube, because Scalar is not a hosting website. So they want to discourage people from using Scalar to store large file sizes like videos. So Scalar already has relationships with video hosting websites like Vimeo and YouTube. So all you have to do is find the URLs for those videos, and then you can bring them into your book and use them as you please. So I've already pulled up a YouTube video that I want to use over here, and the URL, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to Other Archives. I'm going to go to YouTube, and then I'm going to search that URL. This is the video, so I'm going to hit that one, and then Import Selected. All the information, all the metadata or information about that video is going to be listed here, and I'm going to hit Continue. And then the file has now been imported, and I can access it in my dashboard. So continue to do those repeated steps as well for all of the videos and all of the photos that you'd like to upload. Once you've done that and you go to your dashboard, your back end, you go to Content, and you go to Media, all of the photos and the videos that you've uploaded to your book will be found here, and you'll be able to see them in a list fashion like this. And as you're creating pages, you'll be able to sort of refer to this list and know and see the various photos and videos that you'd like to put for that specific page. So before you go ahead and get started in actually creating your pages, make sure that all of your videos and all of the photos that you want to use are uploaded and imported accordingly. Once I've uploaded and imported all of my media and my text is on the page, I can begin embedding the media onto my page. There are two ways I can include media: through a link or inline with my text. So if I want to link text to media, I'm probably going to do that because that text in particular is in reference to a specific piece of media. So let's say this is the text. I'm going to hit this triangle link button, and then whatever media that text is associated with or in direct reference to, I'm going to select that, and then I can adjust features of that particular media, whatever it is, and then I can hit Continue. And then if I save and view that, my media is going to be located to the margins, and then the link is going to be in direct reference to that particular media. The second way I can include media is in line with my text. So wherever my cursor is, my type cursor here, I'm going to select this triangle button that says Insert Inline Scalar Media Link, and then select the media. And again, I'm going to create parameters or descriptions for that particular piece of media. I'm going to create new line for media, which means whatever it is, it's going to start on a new paragraph, or my wrap text around media means my text is going to wrap around that particular piece. So like that. I'm going to hit save and view. And then it'll show up as such. Both ways of embedding media are applicable to every kind of media that you upload. Whether it's a sound clip, a video, or an image, all of it works the same in actually embedding it onto a page. The last thing I want to show you is how to create or select a background image for your page. So you're going to go to Styling, and then you're going to hit Background Image, and then I'm going to select a photo or an image, a still image, that's going to be my background for that particular page. And you'll notice that image is a bit faint, but it's become my background for this particular page. Go ahead and try playing around with embedding your media onto your pages in various formats that you see fit. Just make sure that you are saving your work as you go. And if there are any changes that you would like to revert, you can always delete what you've done, like that, or like that, and then hit save if you'd like to save those changes. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on Scalar. Feel free to contact us through our website or through email if you have any questions. Follow us on social media to see our latest updates.